everyone, this is Stephanie and today I'm going to show you how I did this look. I used the 35B Morphe palette, so keep watching. Okay, I started out by priming my eyelids with concealer and then I set it with this shade from the Morphe 35B palette. Now with a blending brush, I'm going to apply this shade all over my crease. Now with an eyeshadow brush, I'm going to apply that green shade in the inner corners and outer corners of my eyelids. Then I'm using the Morphe M456 brush to blend it all out. Now with a flat brush, I'm applying that greenish metallic shade. Then I started using my finger to apply that same shade because that brush just wasn't doing it for me. I went in with my Morphe M456 brush to deepen that green color in my outer corners and also on my inner corners. I added a bit more of that metallic shade with a fluffier eyeshadow brush so it would be more visible. Okay, so after doing my face, I went in with a small brush and applied that burgundy color on my lower lash line. Now I'm going to line my lower waterline with this black eyeliner. I'm also going to set that black eyeliner with black eyeshadow with this flat brush. And I'm going to drag it down a little bit so it can look more dramatic. Now I'm taking this brush so I can blend that lower lash line better and it can look seamless. Now with a small brush, I'm applying that shade on the inner corners of my eyes. Okay, so this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I hope to see you next time. Bye!